Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble mixture. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 6 cups of warm water, 1 cup of dish soap, and 1/2 cup of either glycerin or light corn syrup. Make sure you also have a large mixing bowl, measuring cups, and a spoon. Selecting a good quality dish soap is key for strong, long-lasting bubbles. Now, let's mix our solution. Carefully pour 6 cups of warm water into your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 full cup of your chosen dish soap. Stir the mixture very gently with your spoon to combine everything without creating excessive suds. Finally, incorporate 1/2 cup of glycerin or light corn syrup. This secret ingredient makes your bubbles much more durable. After mixing, it's crucial to let your bubble solution rest. Allow it to sit undisturbed for at least 1 hour or even overnight for the best results. This resting period helps the ingredients fully integrate. Once rested, test a small amount with a bubble wand. If your bubbles pop too quickly, you might add a tiny bit more glycerin or corn syrup. For truly spectacular bubbles, consider a few extra tips. Using distilled water can reduce impurities, leading to clearer and stronger bubbles. Always store any leftover solution in an airtight container. It can last for several weeks. Finally, try blowing bubbles on a humid day. The extra moisture in the air helps them last longer and grow larger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.